Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essential prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install the tracking kit and authorize overlay and API access. Once done, paste your Albion account ID and generate or import the API key so the tool can pull your data. Make sure to choose target zones, set the time window, and enable loot filters immediately. This narrows incoming data. Start a short calibration run to verify real-time feed. If updates appear, proceed to tracking mode without delay. Now continue by configuring the complex middle steps. Adjust the sampling rate and event hooks so performance stays smooth while capturing meaningful events. Once adjusted, set buffer sizes to avoid dropped packets during heavy activity and map overlay icons for quick recognition. Make sure to enable audible or visual alerts and assign hotkeys for quick toggles. Finally, refine filters by fame range, item tier, and trade value so the tracker only highlights high-priority encounters and profitable loot. To complete the task, run a full session and export logs to confirm the tracker captured events end-to-end. Save your configuration as a preset for future runs. Once complete, validate results by comparing tracked events to in-game receipts so you understand discrepancies and adjust filters. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reduce sampling rate and temporarily disable non-essential overlays to isolate performance issues. If data is missing, restart the kit and reauthorize the API to reestablish a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.